In today's video, I'm going to show you how to connect Binance to MetaTrader 5 for easier crypto trading. Before we begin, it's important to understand that Binance does not directly support MT5 logins like traditional forex brokers do. First, install MetaTrader 5 on your computer or mobile device and log in with a broker account that supports MT5 crypto trading. Many brokers and funded trading firms offer crypto pairs such as BTC and ETH directly within MT5. Once logged in, simply search for the available crypto symbols and start trading. If your goal is to trade directly on Binance through MT5, you'll need a third-party bridge service. This setup requires creating Binance API keys, connecting them to the bridge software, and linking the bridge with MT5. The bridge then forwards your MT5 orders to Binance. Keep in mind that bridge solutions can be more complex to set up and maintain. For many traders, using Binance's built-in trading platform is often the simpler option. Choose the method that best fits your trading needs and experience level. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more trading guides and platform tutorials.